Chow Chow is a Southern relish. I love it. I put it on everything, my hot dogs, my burgers, and now I'm gonna put it on my pulled pork sandwich. I'm gonna start off with 5 cups of vinegar. I'm gonna use 3 cups of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt, a tablespoon of mustard seeds, teaspoon of turmeric. The turmeric adds bright, vibrant yellow color, red pepper for a little heat, about a handful of cloves, as well as the whole peppercorn, 1 bay leaf, a squirt of yellow mustard, and that's basically it. All right, I'm gonna head over to my stove and give this a whisk. Smells great already. All right, now for the vegetable part. Green tomatoes, bell pepper, onions, and a cabbage. To make life easier, I'm gonna use a food processor. All right, so I'm gonna do this in batches because if I put too much in the food processor, it's gonna get really liquidy. I wanna avoid that. Take my first batch out. Quick pulses. Now I'm gonna hand shred my cabbage. Chow Chow is like a mix between a coleslaw and a relish because I'm using cabbage. I'm using the entire cabbage. Normally if you make steamed cabbage, you would throw away that center because it's really rough and bitter. But because I'm adding it to a relish, I like to use it because it's really, really strong and it holds up really well in the relish. Go over here and add it to my vinegar and pickling spices. Let that go for about 15 to 20 minutes until most of the liquid has absorbed.